Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to turn off audio ducking in talkback function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for talkback options and how to change them. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and here we have our talkback function. In talkback we need to go to settings, and then we have sound and vibration menu, and in here we can turn off audio ducking. What does it do? From this short explanation, decrease other audio volume while speaking, while the talkback is speaking. Now this option is turned off as we wanted, and we can go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.